Hi, friends. I have here for you today a great example of a slide nail puller from the early 1900s. It was made by the Bridgeport Hardware Manufacturing Company of Bridgeport, Connecticut. The company was founded back in 1895, and they secured the patents for the nail puller back in 1902 and 1906. This is the number 56 Sure Grip. It is about 17.5 inches in length, but extends to 22.5 inches length. I was able to pick this baby up at the Fairport Tool Thrift Shop where I volunteer. I'm actually going to be returning it there, and it will be for sale. I've got to be honest with you, the Evaporust is doing the lion's share of the restoration here. It really does a nice job of cleaning everything up. And then just a quick brushing with the wire wheel and some sanding, and we'll be all set to go to paint. Now I painted the middle handle red because a friend of mine at the tool thrift shop mentioned that he jammed his fingers quite a few times there. And I thought maybe painting it red would remind people not to put your hand there because that's where you're going to get pinched.